Brad Williams, Excel Prime.
Chart elements, add or delete. Again, what we're going to look at is identifying the elements. We have chart title is an element. Total revenue, operating income, an element. The numbers here are elements. The actual series data are elements. The grid lines are elements. You could change all of this information. Well, let me point out something first in terms of layout. Here we have the chart, and you can see we have the outline. But if you click within the data area, you also have an outline. Be careful if you have the internal outline clicked. If you think you're moving the worksheet, you just move the data series. And it's a bit of a point of frustration, hard to get used to. So just remember Control Z to put it back to its original place. Be aware that if circles show up, that anything you do is inside the data series. Click out, and then you're working with these legends and other elements. Now, in terms of making changes, again, here are some hints. If you want to format the current selection, in other words, if you want to format any of this data, you have a couple of choices. You can go up here to this plus. You can take out the access. You can click this. You can go on and on and on in terms of modifications. If you want to remove this format access, then hit access, and you can see what we just did to the access. We got rid of the access. If we want to get rid of the legend, we just remove the legend. What's the legend? Okay, Control Z, Control Z. You can see it sort of just goes off on its own. So you be sure to check your options when you're messing around with this particular tool. If you want to modify the chart, you can go in and you can hit the paintbrush. If you want to put in a filter, you can go in and modify this information. We'll get into this in the advanced section, but I just want to point this out. In terms of formatting the current selection, make sure you're within the chart, clicked within the chart. Go up and look at the ribbon, and you're going to see a format section. Hit format, go to current selection. Let's say we want to change the chart style. You can see where it says chart area up here under current selection. Just click the arrow, and here are your options. If you want to change the chart title, click chart title, and you can see it's highlighted. You can go up into the formula bar here, and let's just say change title. You can see we just put change title, or how about new title? Otherwise, you can go inside, you can click anywhere inside this highlighted area, and you could put old title and just hit click. But if you click, see what happens? We added a new line or backspace, and just click anywhere outside where you just typed, and we have old title. If you want to change any other of the elements, just click inside, go back chart area. And if you want to change the legend, you can see the legend is highlighted now. You can go to vertical. We have vertical changes and so on and so forth. Series, you can change the net income.
Brad Williams, Excel Prime. Thanks for watching.